whole thing look as if a tired looking wig. Hey lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. Today I'm bringing you another hair video. It's been a long time since I've done a sit down hair video. I'm going to perm rod set my hair and also flexi rod it. This hair has been Scurl texturized, so it is between natural hair and then soft kind of hair. This is my second attempt trying to do this kind of curls on my hair, and I think it's another fail for me. So I hope you do enjoy today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and put the bell notification on, and that way anytime I upload you'll be notified. I'm going to go in with leave-in hair conditioner. I'm going to spray it into my hair. Spread it all into the hair. As it's done, I'm going to go in with a different product. What I'm going to put into my hair now is a hair mousse. It says volume and body hair mousse. I'm going to spray it into my hair. So now my hair is all saturated with the hair mousse that I've put into it. I'm going to go ahead and put in the last product, Andrew Button Gloss Balls. That is a leave-in conditioner with serious shine. This is how it looks. That is it, all the product that I put into my hair. I'm going to go ahead and comb through with my bigger comb. To do this process, because the hair is wet, I'll have to be very careful so that I don't break my hair. I'll have to comb mostly from the edges of the hair going into the center of it. I'm going to start with my tail comb and start parting the hair. At the same time, I'll start using my hair curlers or hair rods into the hair. This is how the hair rod look like. And that is how the flexi rod looks. Now starting with the sectioning, I'm going to be using this hair gel that I got from Welco. I'm going to be putting the gel into my hair anytime that I section, and I'm going to put my perm rod set. The last time I did this and it went wrong, I did not use any gel in my hair. I did not add like a styling gel. So this time I decided to use the styling gel and see the difference. So I hope it works. So I finished fixing my hair and I'm going to let it dry. So I'm back, the hair is all dry and I've done my makeup, so I'm going to take it off and see how it looks like. It looks quite curly how I want it, and I hope it will all look beautiful when I take it off. I just don't want this one to go wrong like the previous one that I did. So this is just an experiment from the first one that I did, which went so wrong. And so I hope this one comes out better. Okay, so this side has bigger curls and this one has tiny curls. I'm still taking them off, so I hope it all comes out perfect and good when I finish. I prefer the little ones than the bigger hair rods. I think this one did not come out well like the smaller ones. Still on taking it out, so let's see how it will look when I finish this all. I'm kind of a little bit disappointed though, because I was expecting the curls to look very smooth and soft and shining, but this is not. This is some kind of very tough looking curls, really hard. Not the sweetest or juiciest curls I was expecting, but well, it has done its job, what it's supposed to do. I think the problem is my hair. I feel like the whole thing look as if a tired looking wig. I'm absolutely disappointed. This is not what I wanted. I wanted the curls to look very shiny and smooth looking and cool, but this one looks so much like an old afro or an old wig. You can see it's curly. You can see the curls there. It looks really curly, but it's not smooth at all. You can see that afro hair all standing in it, and definitely not what I was expecting. Absolutely disappointed. I'm not sure I'm going to give my hair another perm rod because it just never works. It doesn't work at all. Unless I relax my hair and it's very smooth and soft, then it will be able to come out properly. And you know, the one at the back here, look a little bit more what I was expecting. You see it's looking a bit shining. There it looks a bit shiny and more curlier. You can see it. Yeah, it looks a bit different from the rest. So smooth and more curls there. That looks better. Definitely not my style. I'm going to try and use my gummy gel to do the sides and see if it will look smoother or if it will be different. I think I should hold this side with some pin. It will look a bit more better, I think. Yeah, I'll try that and see. Trying to lay that baby hair if it's ever left. Yeah, look a bit better. So here comes the end of my perm rods set on short fussy natural hair, or will I say flexi rods. I used the two of them, so yeah, here comes the end of it. I thought it would come out looking really nicer with the curls in it, very shiny, but this one is a big disappointment to me, I would say, because you can actually see the hair shining, and you can see some kind of like curls in it, the side that I used the little rods, but then this side is gone all like no curls at all, so everything look a bit messy. I'm not sure you can see it properly. So what do you think about today's hairstyle? I hope you do like it. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below about what you think about today's style, and I'll be back to reply you. Have you ever perm rolled your natural hair and it did came out good? Well, this is my second experiment with my natural hair, and then it came out looking so crappy. This is not what I was expecting. A bit disappointed than I thought it would look like. So thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you do enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.